This is the most exciting day ever. And let me show you why. Famous Footwear sent me shoes. Now, if you know me, you know I have a little bit of a Converse collection. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna cry. I did not expect this package to contain 2 boxes, but shut up. Shut up right now. Oh my god. Okay, time for the review. You're kidding me. Shut up. Look, you guys. Oh! I'm like shaking. These are so cute. Look at that color. It's like a neon creamsicle orange. And they're platforms. Okay, wow. I am so obsessed with these. These are my favorite by far now. So that's pair number 1. This is such a pinch me moment right now. I'm freaking out. For pair number 2, I told them I liked pink. So let's see. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. It's like this baby pink. Wow. Okay, that is stunning. I love this color of pink. And these ones are platforms too. You guys, these are the cutest shoes ever. Everyone needs like at least 4 pairs of these. I'm telling you right now. Are you kidding? This is the best day of my life. Look at that. Oh, these are so adorable. I'm so impressed. And they're just, they're so mint right now. I wish these could stay in this perfect of condition forever, but I already know I'm gonna be wearing them way too much for that. Thank you, Famous Footwear. You guys are the bomb. I'm obsessed. I love these and I love you. And I love all of you guys too, obviously.